Hey guys, this is Buzz. Welcome back to the channel if you're an oldie, and if you're a newie, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to do a little video on Yamaha V-Star 650 more power mods. Now, more power for the Yamaha V-Star. After reading a lot of blogs, websites, pages, groups, they said the pod kit was the way to go. So last time I was out in Australia, I bought the Jono's Custom Cruisers pod kit and installed it about 10 days ago, and this is the first sort of open road test that I'm taking it on. And let me tell you straight off the bat, it is worth every little cent you pay for it. As you know, the V-Stars aren't known for their power, and right now it's no rocket or anything like that, but it makes it a little bit more fun. The first thing you realize is the sound. Definitely changes the sound. I've got a custom exhaust on it. Custom made exhaust, no brand, and when you open the throttle, the suction noise of that air, how it's gasping for air, is addictive, let me tell you, and I absolutely love it. Now, as for power, definitely, I'd say definitely 10%. Probably more, as I can't measure it. I haven't put it on a dyno or anything like that, so there's no way of measuring it, but 10% definitely, maybe 15. I'm not too sure on the numbers, but if you want to, like, I'll just give it a bit of a squeeze of the throttle. And it just sounds better, and as I said, that that sucking for air is definitely addictive. Another thing, the fourth gear and fifth gear, the pull you get on it is absolutely brilliant. Before, you know, the fourth gear, fifth gear, after about 80 was, you know, a little bit sluggish. But right now, you know, fourth gear, fifth gear, you're going at 80, 90 on the highway or wherever you're going, and you squeeze the throttle, it wants to move, and you know, the idle or the speedo is moving up at a rapid pace, which is nice. You know, if you do a lot of highway riding, it definitely helps, you know, getting around cars and stuff like that. But yeah, I am super happy. The Yamaha V-Star 650 more power mods, definitely this is the one. I mean, yeah, you can do little mods and it affects it a little bit, but this is the one that sort of got me my eyes open. I paid $200 for it. I think you know, it is worth every cent, and you know, it makes your bike not boring anymore, if that's the right word. So I am super happy, and it's on takeoff, first, second gear, you know, it definitely has a little bit more zip, but you can really feel it after second, third, fourth, the pull you get on it, the acceleration you get on it, no bogging down, it's not a slouch anymore, it's quite good. And as I said, the noise, the sound it makes, the purr, when you open the throttle, the suction, you know, it's gasping for air, that noise is very, very addictive, let me tell you. So if anybody out there wants to get onto it and you're thinking about it, definitely the big air intake, the get onto it and get it done. It is worth it, definitely, for this bike it is, and it gives it that little bit extra oomph, and it's quite good. It's enjoyable. As I said, it makes it non-boring. You know, bike just wants to keep going, and it accelerates well. And the middle to top end is awesome. I mean, the first gear is not bad, but that second, third, you know, after that part, it's just absolutely brilliant. So yeah, hope you like the review, and hope you guys are enjoying the scenery. I'm in Turkey at the moment, traveling from Antalya to the 4th biggest lake in Turkey, which is Iğdır, and I'm just going to go out there for a little trip, bit of wind therapy, as it's a Saturday and I just wanted to get out of the house. What's this guy doing on the left hand side of the lane? There's a little dog in there. I'll put it through its gears. So there we go, rolling start. My friends, so hope you all have enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you think, let me know if you've got one, and how's it all going for you. And if you haven't already, do yourself a favor, please subscribe to FuzzBuzz. You, my friend, have been buzzed by the fuzz. Adios.